Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. Today I'm gonna show you all this hair bun, which is like really easy with this beautiful rose flowers, and it is like inspired from Deepika's hairstyle from the movie Ramleela. So let's get started. First of all, have combed my hair really well so that there is no tangles at all. After that, I'll be like back combing my hair after taking like small section of hair. If you have like teaser, you can go ahead and use that for like better results. Since I do not have that, I'll be going ahead and using my normal rat tail comb and taking small section of hair and then back combing it. I'm also making sure that I'm taking hair from my crown area as well and the sides of my head and then back combing it so that there is like better poof. And then I'll be like smoothing out my hair, and I'll be taking a big chunk of hair from front section with the help of my thumb finger, and then I'll be making a poof, and then I'll be like securing it with bobby pin. Just as you guys can see in this video, I'm like making sure that my hair is like smooth. It's like neat. After that, I'll be like securing it with bobby pin. Then what we can do is like we need to tie a ponytail. For that, I'll be like using a normal hair tie, and then I'll be like tying a ponytail, kind of like a low ponytail, and just as we do a regular normal ponytail, that's it. And then I'll be like taking the hair and then just twisting the hair, and then I'll be like putting it all around my pony and then securing it with u-pin. That's it, very simple. So I'll be using as many u-pins as I can so that it's like secure enough. If you have like long hair or like thick hair, make sure that you use as many u-pins as you can so that it's like secure enough. Your bun is like very secure. So I think I've used like 10 to 15 u-pins so that this bun is like secure enough. After that, I'll be just messing it up really well so that it has a very messy and natural look going on as in the movie Ramleela. And that's it. After that, again I'll be like working a bit on my poof with the help of like a rat tail comb. I'll be like pushing my hair a little bit to the front so that this poof is like a little bit more voluminous and neat. And after that, I'll be pulling out few hair strands a little bit here and there so that it has got a messy look. If you want, you can use your straightener or like flat iron just to like for that hair strands, and so that it has got a better look. But then I'm not gonna use any heat on my hair for at least for today. Then I'll be using taking this rose flower, very small rose flowers. It's better to use small rose flowers, and then securing it to the side of my hair. Just I'm like using only 2 rose flowers over here. So if you want, you can go ahead and use 2 or 3 or even 4, but this minimal look is like the best, I guess. So that's it, guys. It's like very simple, but then very easy to achieve, and we can easily pair it up with like saris or like any ethnic wear. It would be like very beautiful. So I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. Please do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye.